लिखोगे आंसर डेफिनेशन, तब वो कीवर्ड्स को you will underline them. You will underline that keywords. Understood? So please don't forget to that. Now for example, osmosis is there. Okay, osmosis, you know what do you mean by that definition? Osmosis. No, no, no. Oh, you have not studied only. Now, free movement of water molecules. Okay, free movement of water molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration through semi-permeable medium. So, free movement of water molecules. Free movement of water molecules. तो ये तुम्हारा movement, that is sorry, movement, ये तुम्हारा keywords है. Free movement of what? Water molecules. Water molecules is one of the keywords. So when you write here, you will underline this water molecules. Okay, from higher concentration to lower concentration through semi-permeable membrane. So semi-permeable membrane is another keywords. You will underline that. That is the best way of writing. From the council also it has been told to underline with a pencil. You will underline, or with a pen, no problem. But you make a use of underlining. ठीक है? So that is the definition here. So जो भी करते हो, जो भी लिखते हो, कुछ भी, जहाँ तुम्हारे बुक में Arial black is given there, please, that is the keywords you underline when you write that answer. Okay? When you write the answer, you underline that. That is the thing. So mathematics, I don't know much about that mathematics here. So history, civics, that also I don't know now. That is there. Now, I was talking about the essay. Now, for the language I am telling here, essay, please read some essay books. So, you can purchase that, it is written by that T.S. Sudhir, he has taken out. Like that, you can मंगाओ या फादर को बोल देंगे तो वो मंगा देंगे. SWS book, SWS book of essay and letters for class 9 and 10. 9 and 10. Okay, this is by T.S. Sudhir. Okay, so here in this book, everything is written, given there, how to write the essay, how to attempt that essay. Every information has been given, and whatever the essays or the letters that is coming in your examination, all these examples are there with the solution. Okay, so if you read that essay, you will have a mind map how to present your essay in your answer sheet. So ये पढ़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है तुम लोगों को. It's a compulsory to read. Any essay, other essay books, your books or any magazine you are free in the period. Don't sit and chat there. Go to the library and take out some that is your India Times or anything. You read. Okay, you must be updated with the things what is going on in your world. Okay, so you update yourself with the world there, what is India, what is going on. So with that view, you can put that in your everything in your essay. So when you are writing the stories also, you can't take it from any film story or anything. If they come to know, they will come to know only. So they will deduct some marks from there. Okay, so make your own original story. For that you have to frame the sentence correctly. Okay, so for that writing part you have to be very familiar to write. So तुम लोग हमेशा कुछ जैसे मान लो English, who is the, you are the English teacher sir? No, who is the English teacher?
मेरे sir, दूसरे sir.
You are the English teacher here. Now, what you will do every day, English language period, you teach that is grammar part, and then grammar part is nothing, that is transformation, articles, prepositions, stress on that 3. Then after that you give the topic to them, and they have to write that 9 and class 9 and 10. When those are teaching there, give a topic or describe this one. Take the topic from the council, this one, books and all given there. Okay, so you take that question and give it to them. You must be having the this one, total English workbook. है ना? You must be having. So many questions are there in the total English. Give them to write. Writing, that is, they should have practice of writing. So if you write more, the mistakes will come more and your correction will be done more. So you will come to know what mistakes you are making there. Teacher will tell you what mistakes you are making. Okay, so that is the thing. Grammar part to तुम लोग के ऊपर है. You should understand nicely. That also practice needed. So all the you can take it out from the net. Different types of questions. Don't stuck with the things what is there in the book. That is, go take question from the other net you take out and give randomly you give them and practice. Answer share. Give them question and few and discuss with the answers to them so that they will know what is the that is mistake they are doing. Okay, so that is thing. Yeah, maths also they should have the practice there. Different. You are having M.L. Agarwal.
Yes.
So M.L. Agarwal is there. Your Selina also one book is there.
Yes.
So both are brothers and sisters only. Okay, so some questions are given here. The examples are given. The questions will be there. So those who are want to practice more there, you do from your book and take the question from the your test papers there. Now, don't think that I will complete whole portion, whole syllabus and then let the December or November I will start my test papers. That is wrong. Okay. Why I am telling? Now your chapters are teachers are teaching. Okay. Now what you do? You will take the test papers. You will search the question related to that chapter. Suppose cell division you have completed. Okay. Now you take out the test paper and search all the question from the test papers of that chapter. From suppose 15 or this one it is come up. Then search it. Make one separate copy where this will be a previous year question copy. तुम लोग अपने से मेहनत करना है, ठीक है? Write that question or you take out the printout or write in one place. Take out the printer or write the question there, write the answer there, PYQ and solve. And keep that PYQ copies with you. Make separate copies, previous year copies and do. ठीक है? If you start, suppose पढ़ने का मेथड भी वैसे ही है. आज जो चैप्टर्स सपोज सर कंप्लीट किए, ठीक है, वन चैप्टर सर व्हाट यू आर टीचिंग
Maths and computer science.
yes, computer education. So one chapter sir has given programming them, so give them the programming questions. If I have, then I can send you some question because my child was there in 10th, so he has sir was giving 70-80 questions of programming. So if I get, then I'll send give it to sir, father, then you can take them. So from there, programming. So whatever sir has taught today, please go home and study that much. Your sir must have not completed one chapter in one day. Some half, I think this much people will be completing there. इतना ही जाके घर में जाके पढ़ो.